What's up, everybody? So, crypto in a giant free fall, kind of just slowly trending down, and then to this morning we got just the absolute melt off. Now, I did buy a little bit of Bitcoin last night, around 40,000. I do want to buy some more. Yeah, I think at 29 would be great. So, in this video, I'm actually going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, everyone's favorite. I'm going to look at Cardano. I want to look at some of the cryptos and just see where am I buying. Right now, we have news about China banning crypto and not allowing the banks to offer it. China also pulled this in 2017. Also, I think things are different. China didn't knock out any of the miners. It's still over there. So, for me right now, it is a buy the dip. This is an emotional reaction. There are Binance, Coinbase, they're down. You can't even buy anymore right now. Otherwise, I'd be buying some as we speak. So once those are back up, I am going to be buying. But for everyone else, if you guys are just, first of all, this is the time to be talking about crypto. Not when it's up here. Not when Doge is up here. This is the time to be talking about it. So, if it's going to hold right there, that 25-cent mark, let's see, there's just, that as far as this goes, that could just be a dead cat bounce. Like a little oversold, so some buyers show up here, some sellers show up, and it keeps going down. I'd let that level out first. But starting from the top, Bitcoin. Let's go out here to the weekly. Is going to look horrible. But to the Voyager or MicroStrategies guy that said 100,000 per coin by July, we would need a 2020 recovery for it to hit that. So probably not going to make that number. Sorry to disappoint. As of right now, it's kind of holding off here. So that was a bright yellow box. That's where I wanted to buy. I definitely would buy some more right here at 29. And if it melts off any further, just to keep you guys updated, my strategy still hasn't changed. I'm going to buy more every week. Dollar cost average into it. Well, I've been dollar cost averaging the whole time. So as I buy more, my average cost goes up. As I buy more, my average cost goes down. Either way, at the end of the year, I will own more Bitcoins than I did at the beginning, and that is the main goal. So no, I'm not panic selling. I haven't sold a single bit. As far as Ethereum goes, Ethereum taking the beat down. Now, I talked about buying Ethereum at 26. Like, I really want it 2,500. 2,600 might be that FOMO case. Woke up today, it's at 2,300. So, we'll see when I'm able to buy some more of this and just see where that goes. As far as right now, any last major areas I want to say is going to be right here. Checking that out. Yeah, that 13, I remember holding out there for, it seemed like forever. And we already bounced there. So maybe some buyers showing up there. Some of my mentorship groups thinking 750. That's where they're buying. Yeah, I would buy a lot more there. But like I've been saying, guys, crypto's still brand new. We're still in its infancy stages. I know the nerds have had it since 2013, but as far as institutions and it actually being in the forefront of everything, it's brand new. We're still putting pieces on the board. So right now, all I care about is owning more. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it tomorrow, next week, next month, not even next year. That did some incredible numbers for me to sell by next year. So I don't panic during any of this. Like I told you guys, put your gas money in it. Money that everyone says, oh, I don't care if it goes away. That's the money I plan on losing anyway. And then you get a red candle and you're freaking out. Doesn't sound like that anyway. Doesn't sound like you were really on board with losing that money. So, again, all I care about is averaging more into this. Coinbase better open back up. Let me see if Coinbase is up right now as I'm recording. Those text messages you heard my phone dinging, both happen to be random people texting me saying, what's up with Bitcoin? Why is it down? Well, because people are selling. Coinbase is still down. I don't know who's selling. I don't know who you're allowed. Binance, I just got the notification. They shut down completely. You're not selling crap. Let's check out Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic getting the beat down. Now, as far as this one goes, I've been talking about Ethereum Classic. Everyone loved this one because it's cheap, right? They can afford more. This is the one that, out of all of them, Ethereum is going to recover. Ethereum Classic, it's one that there's a question mark there. So I'd be cautious of this one, but I do kind of like it at these levels. Let's do Cardano. Went back to a... I wish I could have bought more there. That's where I was buying Cardano. So I have to ride all the way up, all the way back down. And this gave me FOMO, like I wish I would have bought more. Now, I do get that. Wish is granted. So I do hope I get some more of that as soon as Coinbase opens up. As soon as Coinbase opens up, I am buying, just to be clear, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. At least those three for now. But if you want to wait, you guys want to wait because you had no problem buying it on these green candles, but now all of a sudden you don't want to buy. Oh man, give me a dip, I'd load up. Give me a dip, and then the dip comes. Oh my god! Or gosh, don't freak out. Then it comes, you freak out. This is the time to buy. But let's say you waited. You waited, we bounced, we come back down, double bottom. Or we come back down. What's so wrong with you catch that double bottom? Or it bounces, you catch that higher low. And you buy right there or right here again. I know it's super sloppy. We'll just delete. Let's try that again so you can see it clear. I don't know what to do on a smaller time frame. All right, so Cardano selling off. So we clearly got the bounce. Let's say it comes back down, double bottom. You buy it right there. You didn't have to buy the brightest red candle, but the selling stopped. You buy it right there, and then we go up. Or, it might just continue to melt down. Always two sides of the coin. Or you wait just a tad bit longer, pushes up, makes that higher low, and then you buy right there, and then it starts to trend back up. You missed a couple pennies, so what? Your risk was probably quite a bit smaller by doing so and waiting. Last but not least, Doge. Right now, 30 cents. I haven't seen a single Facebook status post, which is weird because I saw a million of them up here about how many I told you so's were up here. It's going to $1 and blah, 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 blah. And, well, stupid pullbacks. Didn't even touch 75 cents. Here we are. We dropped all the way down to almost 20. Had a low of 21. Whew. Meltdown. Melt mode. In my opinion, even probably for Doge, this is just a dip buy. But I am going live tonight, so if you do catch this notification, make sure you're notified. Hit that little bell button. We'll go live tonight. We'll talk about it. Let's see what dip buys were profitable, what this did to coin. And if you're looking at the overall market, kind of like we talked about, if it breaks these green lines, bullish above, bearish below, well, we broke below, and guess what? We continued to melt off. So let's see if this zone holds. See if we're going to start putting in a higher low right here. If there's going to be a higher low in the stock market, it's going to be right here. But I would be cautious of a bear flag pattern, because it might just break down even lower. I do think we are going to correct. I would be cautious of that. So I will see you guys tonight.